Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Tradingview free trial. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is how can you create an account in Tradingview. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser type tradingview.com and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Now once you get into the official website, the next thing that you need to do is to follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, that's going to take you right into this official homepage where you can now explore a lot of feature stuff and exciting time in Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to cancel Tradingview free trial. So from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your user profile. Now click on your name there. You're going to find this extended options that says profile settings, account and billing, refer a friend, help center. You have notifications, what's new, debt collecting, language, and sign out. Now go ahead and click on account and billing. Now that takes you in here where you have account and billing. As you can see, I'm currently using the free plan. The plan is basically free. So for you to cancel free trial, that's, let's say you subscribe to a plan and you are on the 30-day free trial and you want to cancel it. Once you head over to this page, just right there where you see your plan, you're definitely going to find the cancel trial button just right next to your plan. Okay, under the my plan category, you are going to find your plan, and right next to your plan you're going to see the cancel trial button. So just go ahead and click on the cancel trial button and your free trial will be canceled. That's pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.